Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix random crashing while in Game on Valorant. So first of all, open up your settings and make sure that display mode is on full screen and your resolution is the recommended your monitor recommended for me is 9020 times 1080. And if you want to check what your resolution is recommended, just right click on the display settings here, and then you can see that display resolution is for me 9020 times 1080, and you will see recommended tab. And once you're here, then go to advanced display settings, select your monitor here and look what's your monitor refresh rate. And then you can go back here, go to Valorant, and on FPS max on battery, FPS in menus, and FPS always make sure that that is FPS not more than your monitor can handle. And then on graphic quality, you may have to lower your visual performance. Of course, your visual performance can suffer, but you can play the game normally. So you can set up your material, texture, and detail quality to low, multi-threaded rendering to on, and UI quality to medium, vignette vsync to off, and also anisotrophic filtering to 4x, anti-aliasing to none, improve clarity, experimental sharpening, bloom, distortion, and cast shadows to off. And once you do that, then minimize your Valorant game. And then what you need to do here is to open up your task manager and then look for Valorant here, and then right click on this one and then go to press go to details and make sure you set priority to high, right, on Valorant. And if the problem persists, then what you can do here, you can basically and overlay apps. So I know that Discord is using overlay OBS, and sometimes it can conflict with the game. So or the apps that uses a lot of CPU. So if you play the game and you don't need Google Chrome or OBS or Discord, you can easily end them here. And also this step can prevent you from crashing in game. And if the problem persists, then you need to just open up Windows Defender Firewall, Windows Defender Firewall and Advanced Security here. Not this one. Windows Defender Firewall, and wait a second. Windows Defender Firewall here, and then go to allow an app and feature to Windows Defender, and then you need to make sure that you press change settings and then allow another app, press browse, and then you need to find your Valorant game. So for me it's on local disk C, and then write games Valorant live and Valorant here, and just add here, and make sure, as you can see here, for me is under this list. So basically Windows Firewall can also can cause this problem. So what you need to do here is to basically put Valorant to a list of exceptions, right? And if the problem persists, the last thing that you can do here, you can update your GPU and operating system. So to update your operating system, you just need to go to check for updates here. And if there is an update for you that you need to download, please do download and install, restart your computer. And also same with your GPU. Depends on what GPU you're using. If you're using NVIDIA, you can open up GeForce Experience here, go to drivers, check for updates, and update to the latest version. And if you're using AMD, I believe there is AMD Radeon that does the same thing, right? So that's pretty much it, what you need to do here. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.